Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you the most basic questions and answers on computer hardware and networking course questions and their answers. I am Endeg from computer hardware and networking course, and if you are new for this channel, please like and subscribe for more videos. ሰላም ቤተሰብ እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ። ዛሬ በሃርድዌር ኤንድ ኔትወርኪንግ ሰርቪስ በጣም አስፈላጊ የሆኑ 20 ጥያቄዎችንና መልሶቻቸውን ወደ እናንተ እናደርሳለን። ለዚህ ቻናል አዲስ የሆናችሁ ካላችሁ ላይክ እና ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። እንዲሁም ከዚህ በፊት ቤተሰብ የነበራችሁ ሼር በማድረግ ለጓደኞቻችሁ የመፍትያቸው አካል ሁኑ። ከአብረን እንደግ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አብሬያችሁ የምቆየው እንደግ ነኝ። እስከ ቪዲዮ መጨረሻ ድረስ አብራችሁን ቆዩ። Question number 1. A user calls to report that cannot access a network resources. You investigate and discover that the IP address of the user's computer is 169.254.0.6. You also discover that the other clients on the same subnet are experiencing the same problem. You must provide the network connectivity for the user. What should you do? A. Enabling automatic private IP addressing. B. Disable automatic private IP addressing. C. Ensure the computer is enabled as a DHCP client. D. Ensure a DHCP server or DHCP relay agent resides on the local subnet. The correct answer for this question is choice D. Ensure a DHCP server or DHCP relay agent resides on the local subnet. Question number 2. A piece of hardware or software on the network to prevent some communications forbidden by the network policy. A. Proxy server. B. Network address translator. C. Firewall. D. Network interface controller. The correct answer for this question is choice C. Firewall. Question number 3. A device which amplifies or regenerates digital signals received while sending them from one part of a network into another. A. Bridge. B. Repeater. C. Switch. D. Router. The correct answer for this question is choice B. Repeater. Question number 4. You have made changes to file and directory permissions on a server or a network. You want to verify the new settings before informing the users of the changes. How can verify that the changes have taken effect and that no security problems arise from them? A. Ask a trusted user to perform the tests for you. B. Use your own administrator account to perform the tests. C. Create a test account for the purpose. D. Do nothing. Changes made with administrative privileges are always correct. The correct answer for this question is choice C. Create a test account for the purpose. Question number 5. You find that an abnormal amount of traffic is passing between the DNS and the DNS clients. Which tool would best help you ascertain the cause of access traffic? A. Tracert. B. Event viewer. C. System monitor. D. Security monitor. The correct answer for this question is choice C. System monitor. Question number 6. In OSI network architecture, the dialog control and token management are responsibility of A. Data link layer. B. Session layer. C. Network layer. D. Transport layer. The correct answer for this question is choice D. Transport layer. Question number 7. Communication modes support two-way traffic but in only one direction at a time. A. Simplex. B. 3/4 duplex. C. Half duplex. D. Full duplex. The correct answer for this question is choice C. Half duplex. Question number 8. You install file and printer sharing for Microsoft networks. You share a folder and leave the password option blank. Who can gain access to the folder? A. Windows 98 will not allow a blank password in this field. B. Anyone with Internet Explorer installed. C. Only users that are members of the same network group as you. D. Anyone who can gain access to your network and has a Microsoft redirector such as the client for Microsoft networks installed. The correct answer for this question is choice D. Anyone who can gain access to your network and has a Microsoft indicator such as the client for Microsoft networks installed. Question number 9. What is a firewall in computer network? A. The physical boundary of the network. B. An operating system of a computer network. C. A system designed to prevent unauthorized access. D. A web browsing software. The correct answer for this question is choice C. A system designed to prevent unauthorized access. Question number 10. You are the LAN administrator for your company. You have couple Windows XP professional clients that dial in via PPP to the company network's RAS server. You want to remote clients to be assigned dynamic IP addresses. Upon connecting, you find that the Windows XP computers did not get any IP addresses. What should you do? A. Run ipconfig with the release all and renew switch to the client. B. Run ipconfig with the renew all switch on the client. C. Run winipconfig on the client. D. Run ipconfig all. The correct answer for this question is choice A. Run ipconfig with the release all and renew switch on the client. Question number 11. A large network with 500 users notices that at specific times in the morning and afternoon network congestion ties up their computers. What is the most likely cause? A. Many users are logging on or off. B. Power fluctuations. C. A terminator is not grounded. D. The switch connection, the network goes down. The correct answer for this question is choice A. Many users are logging on or off. Question number 12. The best method to restore the latest copy of the registry in Windows Server 2003 server is to select the A. Emergency repair disk or ERD. B. Recovery console. C. Last known good configuration. D. Ctrl Alt Delete keys. The correct answer for this question is choice C. Last known good configuration. Question number 13. The most efficient way to control security in a client-server network is to assign a permission to A. Each shared resource. B. Groups. C. Directories. D. Users. The correct answer for this question is choice B. Groups. Question number 14. The advantage of a client-server network over a peer-to-peer network is A. Performance is better on a peer-to-peer. B. Security is better on a client server. C. Easy to configure the client server. D. Security is better on a peer-to-peer. The correct answer for this question is choice B. Security is better on a client server. Question number 15. A remote user complains that he is unable to access internal corporate network resource from the remote site. The user states that he can access the local resource. What is your primary advice to solve this problem? A. Check where he can ping successfully to the default gateway. B. Check whether the NIC is functioning. C. Check subnet mask of his computer setting. D. Check TCP/IP status of his network computer. The correct answer for this question is choice A. Check whether he can ping successfully to the default gateway. Question number 16. A system acting as a firewall on the network typically located between A. The client system and the server. B. Two internal networks. C. The internal access point and the internet. D. The internal network and internal access point. The correct answer for this question is choice D. The internal network and the internal access point. Question number 17. Which of the following is correct regarding class B address of IP address? A. Network bit 14 and host bit 16. B. Network bit 16, host bit 14. C. Network bit 18, host bit 16. D. Network bit 12, host bit 14. The correct answer for this question is choice A. The network bit 14 and the host bit is 16. Question number 18. The administrators of a company's domain need to be subdivide a groups in organization with in Active Directory. If he wants to separate sales from marketing department, what could he use as a system of organizing this subdivision? A. Creating organizational units. B. Use user and groups. C. Create site and subnet grouping. D. Build a container in a subnet group. The correct answer for this question is choice A. Creating organizational units. Question number 19. A system administrator wants to remote a domain controller from a domain. Which is the easiest way to perform the task? A. Reinstall server over existing installation and make the machine a member of group. B. Use remove command. C. Use Active Directory installation wizard to remove the domain controller. D. Reinstall server over existing installation and make a machine a member of domain. The correct answer for this question is choice C. Use Active Directory installation wizard to remove the domain controller. Question number 20. A DSL is the abbreviation of A. Asymmetric dual subscriber line. B. Asymmetric digital system line. C. Asymmetric dual system line. D. Asymmetric digital subscriber line. The correct answer for this question is choice D. Asymmetric digital subscriber line. ቤተሰብ ጥያቄዎቹና መልሶቻቸው እንደወደዳችኋቸው ተስፋ እናደርጋለን። ሌላ ጊዜ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እንገናኛለን። ለዚህ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ላይክ እና ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። እንዲሁም ቤተሰብ የነበራችሁ ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር በማድረግ የመፍትያቸው አካል ሁኑ። አብራችሁን ስለነበራችሁ ከልብ እናመሰግናለን። Thank you for watching. Goodbye.